What if I told you there's a way to beam yourself anywhere in the world, instantly? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. Not entirely. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of beam technology and explore how you can harness its power for your own adventures. What is Beam? Beam is a revolutionary platform that allows you to connect with people from all corners of the globe through a unique telepresence experience. Think of it as a virtual body that you can control remotely. With Beam, you can explore exotic locations, interact with locals, and even attend events without leaving your home. Getting started with Beam. The first step to joining the Beam community is to acquire a Beam robot. These robots come in various models, each with its own features and capabilities. You can purchase a Beam directly from the official website or through authorized retailers. Setting up your Beam. Once you've received your Beam, the next step is to set it up. This process is relatively straightforward and involves connecting the robot to your Wi-Fi network and creating a Beam account. Controlling your Beam. To control your Beam, you'll need to download the Beam app on your smartphone or computer. The app provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to navigate the robot, interact with its surroundings, and communicate with others. Exploring the world with Beam. Now comes the fun part: exploring the world. With Beam, you can visit iconic landmarks, attend virtual events, and even work remotely from anywhere in the world. Simply select a location on the Beam app and your robot will transport you there instantly. Interacting with others. One of the most exciting aspects of Beam is the ability to connect with people from all walks of life. You can chat with locals, attend virtual meetups, and even collaborate on projects with people from around the globe. The benefits of Beam. There are many benefits to using Beam. For travelers, it offers a unique way to experience different cultures without the hassle of packing and traveling. For businesses, Beam can be used for remote work, virtual meetings, and customer support. And for individuals with limited mobility, Beam can provide a sense of freedom and independence. Tips for using Beam. To get the most out of your Beam experience, here are a few tips. Charge your Beam regularly. Ensure a strong Wi-Fi connection. Be mindful of your surroundings. Interact with others politely and respectfully. Experiment with different features and settings. Beam is a groundbreaking technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we travel, work, and connect with others. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily become a Beam owner and embark on exciting adventures from the comfort of your own home. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy beaming.